Welcome back to TerraNova. We've spent the last few days exploring time dilation and how speed and gravity can warp time. But today we're going to ask a question that's fascinated people for centuries. Is time travel possible? Thanks to time dilation, we know that it's theoretically possible to travel into the future. If you were to travel near the speed of light or experience extreme gravitational forces, you could slow time down for yourself while the rest of the universe speeds ahead. Let's say you board a spaceship and travel at 99.9% of the speed of light for a few years. When you return to Earth, decades or even centuries could have passed, even though only a few years would have passed for you. In that sense, you've traveled into the future. This isn't just a theory, it's backed up by science. We've seen time dilation effects in experiments with particles called muons, which decay much slower when they're moving near the speed of light. While we're not able to build spacecraft that can travel at such speeds yet, the physics is clear. Time travel to the future is possible. But what about traveling to the past? This is where things get tricky. According to what we know about physics, traveling to the past is much more complicated, if not impossible. Einstein's theory of relativity doesn't rule out time travel entirely, but it does impose some strict limitations. For example, some scientists speculate that wormholes, hypothetical tunnels in space-time, could allow for time travel. However, we've never observed a wormhole, and even if they do exist, they may not be stable enough for travel. Another idea is the concept of closed time-like curves, which would theoretically allow an object to loop back on itself in time. But again, this is all speculative. We don't have any experimental evidence to suggest that time travel to the past is possible. While science fiction often portrays time travel as something we can control, the reality is that our current understanding of physics only supports travel into the future. And even then, it would require technologies that we're still far from achieving. While time travel to the future might one day be possible, the kind of time travel we see in movies, where you can hop in a machine and visit the past or future, remains a distant dream. For now, time dilation is our best bet for time traveling, and it's already happening around us in small ways every day. So, do you think time travel will ever become a reality? Let's hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more cosmic explorations on TerraNova. Would you want to travel into the future if you could? What do you think life would be like in 100 or 1,000 years?